It lives to die another day. It travels through time and somehow made it into a K-pop dance craze. Gentlemen, this is the bow tie. Let's tie it all together with number 4 in the top 50 knots. Take our satin bow tie and fold the leaf closest to the hardware to make the tail symmetrical. This is what will become the front bow. Throw the strap over your neck to the right and align the front bow with the center of your collar. Release the fold and make sure the tip of the left tail is a little shorter than the peak of the right leaf. If it isn't, adjust the strap by the difference and start over. Cross the right tail in front of the left tail to form the neck loop. Take the right tail up through the neck loop and tighten to your neck. At this point, the front tail should only be about an inch longer than the back tail. If not, adjust accordingly. Form the front bow by pointing the bottom tail to the left and folding the leaf to make it symmetrical. You'll see you now have a center loop in the back, which I pinch with my thumb. Fold the tail at the center of the leaf and point the tail up to make the back bow. Pinch the folded leaf and push the right side of it through the center loop. Congratulations, the knot is tied. Now we just need to tighten. Pinch all sides of the right bow with your right hand. Then pinch the back side of the back bow towards the middle and pull out to tighten the center loop. Then flatten and adjust each side to make it symmetrical.
Look at that bow tie.
Don't even be talking about my bow tie.
Don't worry if your knot doesn't have perfect folds or if the tail peeks out a bit behind the bow. That is the unique personality of a self-tied bow tie. However, if your bow ended a little lopsided like this, that means your strap is too long. Just start over and reduce the length of the strap. And if I went through the steps too fast, just rewind and reduce the playback speed. Voila! You look better than ever in a perfect bow tie. Your bow tie will look best if the spread is about the same width as your eyes. The spread of a bow tie is the space between the folded leaf and the tail. As for shirts, a winged collar or spread collar look best, but honestly you can wear it with any collar except a button-down collar.
Nice bow tie. Bow ties are cool.
Bow ties are the most formal neckwear option commonly worn today, and they're necessary for black and white tie dress codes. They're also great for kids. Not only are they adorable on toddlers, they also don't get soiled easy and don't get caught in stuff. I'm wearing a traditional black wool made-to-measure suit with white shirt and satin bow tie from MyNiceTie.com. I've added a little color with a yellow polka dot pocket square and a puff fold. And I've made my outfit a bit more casual with my mocha belt and coffee-colored Oxfords. Lastly, I'm smelling like summer with Coach for Men. Drop a comment with the first person that comes to mind when thinking of bow ties. Learn to look even more like James Bond with this video on the black tie dress code. Or journey with me on our menswear tour of the country with this playlist. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button so you'll remember me next time you need to tie a tie. And as always, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.